Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6S. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transit Pass and now select Transit Pass you would like to add to your Google account. You will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select Card. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. Let's go back and in the end let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.